As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at two propane grills, the Charbroil Classic 2-burner and the Weber Q2800N+. What are your initial thoughts?
Well, right off the bat, there's a pretty big price difference. The Charbroil is around $139, while the Weber is $399. That's a significant jump.
Yeah, that's definitely something to consider. What about size and cooking area?
The Charbroil has 280 square inches of cooking space, which is decent for a small family. The Weber doesn't explicitly state the exact cooking area, but it says it fits up to 12 burgers, so it's probably comparable, maybe a little bigger.
Okay. The Charbroil also has a side burner, which could be handy for sauces. Does the Weber have anything similar?
No side burner on the Weber, but it does have a plus burner that can boost the heat for searing or maintain a low temperature for baking. It seems more versatile in terms of temperature control. Plus, it boasts a wide temperature range from 250 to 700 degrees Fahrenheit.
Interesting. What about build quality and materials? The Charbroil is stainless steel, right?
Partially. The Charbroil uses porcelain-coated wire grates, which are economical but might not last as long. The Weber has porcelain-enameled, cast-iron cooking grates, which are known for better heat retention and durability. It also has aluminum and cast-iron components, which suggests a higher build quality.
So the Weber is probably built to last longer, but it's also heavier at 51.2 pounds compared to the Charbroil's 37.5 pounds. What about features?
The Weber has some cool features, like the option to add a griddle insert and even built-in mounting for Weber Connect Wi-Fi hub probes, sold separately, if you want to monitor your grill remotely. The Charbroil is more basic, but it does have GearTrax compatibility for accessories.
So the Charbroil is a good budget option for basic grilling.
Exactly. It's a simple, no-frills grill. The Weber, on the other hand, is more of an investment. You're paying for better build quality, more precise temperature control, and some extra features.
Okay, that helps a lot. Thanks. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.